Hey beautiful Tovians, welcome back. It's your girl Tovia Ogun back again with another exciting video. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome. If you're yet to subscribe, please do that right now. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this YouTube video. On this video, I'm going to be sharing how to make this intro that you are seeing. You actually wrote me asking me to show you the contour of how I made this YouTube intro. Now that's what I'm going to be sharing on this video. So if you want to know how, then keep watching this YouTube video. So I'm just going to screen record my computer right now to show you guys how to create it. But you can also do this on your phone, but on your computer it comes at best and it is more easier for you to do. So without further talk, let's just dive into the video. So guys, we are going to be using Canva to create this template today. And the first thing you want to do is to create a Canva account if you don't already have one. But if you already have one, then you can just continue with me. All this I'm going to be using my laptop, but you can also use your phone to do this tutorial. All you have to do is just download the Canva app and then you're good to go. So once you already open Canva through canva.com, now you want to just search up YouTube intro. Sorry, it's like my internet is a bit slow today. So once this page has opened, you want to just go to the part that says create a blank YouTube intro. Just click on that. Now that we have this page, what you want to do next is to go to the part that says photo at your left side. Click on the photo. Now search up marble. So that's the background we're going to be using. You can go for marble or marble background. Anyone is just fine. So here we are with different marble background. Now the ones with the crown are the pro, which means you have to pay for them. So make sure you only pick the one that says free. Now there's a lot for you to choose from. You can see that beautiful one. There's this one. So basically any photo you take here that says free, it's actually free. You won't get any message of anyone writing and be like, oh, you stole my photo or stuff like that. And that's the good thing about using Canva. So just go through it and find the marble that you actually like. So guys, this is me. I like this background. It took me some time to kind of find something that I like. So once you find the background that you actually like, you want to go back to the search button. Just click out of marble. Now you want to search for gold. So once you search for gold, you can see different gold design here. Now we want something like this. This is something that I want, something like this, not this one, but something like that. Now you want to just keep searching until you find the one we are looking for. Yeah. So this is basically what we are looking for, this one here. So once you find this, you want to go back to the part that says tears. Now click on add a subheading. So just write your name. My name is Tovia Ogun. So I'm going to just move that a little bit up. So once you've written your name, you want to go to the part that says Oppo Sounds. Click on that. And then just search up calligraphy. So once you've searched up calligraphy, now just find the font that you like for your name. So there's a lot of font to choose from. So just find the one you like. So I just picked the one that says great vibes. Now there's a lot to choose from. Okay, I just decided to go with that. Now what you want to do is to resize this. I'm gonna move it there and then just add to the size. I'm just gonna put this at maybe 186. That's a bit too much. Let's go for 160. Right, so you want to just resize it a little bit, move it to the middle. So guys, I just changed my test font again. I didn't like the first font and I just changed to Parisienne. So I wanted something a little bit, you know, vibrant. And then you want to touch the element. So the element which is down there, click on the transparency. Now you want to reduce this a little bit, but if you like just the way it is, you can leave it. But me, I want it to kind of blend with the background, so I want to make that a little bit not too bright and not too light, you know. So I kind of like it there. Now for the text, if you want to change the font color, so if there's another color you prefer, you can just go through it and find the color of your choice. If you prefer white, just find the color of your choice. I think I'm gonna go with black, but then I'm gonna reduce the transparency out where by clicking on this three dot transparency, and then just kind of take it a little bit down here to blend and not too vibrant, not too bright. So a little bit down. Yeah, I kind of like it that way. So I like what I see right now. Oh my god, sorry. I like what I see right now. Okay. Now you want to go to the part that says elements. So we are basically going to add your social media pages to it now. So if you're on Instagram, just search your Instagram and then find the icon of Instagram that you actually like. Again, these are not free, so make sure you pick something that is free, otherwise you have to pay. I kind of like this because it just go with the background, but there's a lot for you to pick from. Just search up the one you like best. I would have go with white if my test was white, because this actually came out really nice, but I'm not gonna go with that. Anyway, so I like this. You want to just resize it to a bit smaller and then just put it there. Okay, again, just go for test and click on add a sub heading, and then just write your Instagram name. For me, mine is at Tovian. So take this down. Now if you have other Instagram account, like for me, I have my Snapchat, so I'm gonna go back to the element and then just search up Snapchat. I hope I find a good Snapchat. I know it's always hard to find Snapchat that you don't have to pay for. That's the thing about Snapchat. See how there's no free Snapchat without the background. So I'm gonna go to my uploads because I already have like a Snapchat I uploaded back then. So I'm just gonna go through it and find the Snapchat. So here's my old Snapchat. Like I said, I have it before on my folder. I'm gonna delete this. So if you don't have it, just go to Google and go download it. So once you've downloaded, you just click on uploads, upload media, and then you can upload it to your Canva. So for me, I already have it before. I'm gonna click on it and just put it there. Okay, I'm gonna resize it a little bit more, and then I'm gonna go to the part that says test, add a sub heading, and then just call it however my Snapchat is called, which is, I don't know, I always forget the at classy Tovia. That's for my Snapchat, and then I'm gonna put it here. So I want to kind of change the font to the same font I used here, which is the Parisienne. I want to click on that and go for Parisienne. So recently used Parisienne. That is it there. Something easier to read. Yes, I like this. Sorry, I just had to change the font to something easy to read. Let's do this as well. Right, there we go. So this is our so far. I think I want to move this Instagram a little bit this way and add to the size a little bit. So far so good. This is ours. This is ours. Okay, now let's add animations to everything, but you can obviously go through it all if you like it. If there's something you want to change, just go ahead and move things around to your taste before you add the animations, because that's what we're about to be doing. So to animate, you want to just, let me say I'm here now. You want to click on the main background, the actual background. Now once you've clicked on that, just click on the part that says animate. Okay, now it's for you to find what you like, what you like. Okay, oh, that looks cool. Okay, let's just find what we like. Okay, remember we're only going for the free stuff. I kind of like that pan. Wait, let's see pan again. I like it. And let's see rice. Okay, dumbo. Oh, let's see that again. Okay, photo zoom. Guys, everything looks so amazing. Oh, I like this. I like this photo flow. Look at that. So nice. Photo rice. Now there's more. Oh, this is beautiful. Canva. Oh, this is really nice, but it's not free, so we can't use that. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Right, we can't use those stuff. We can only go for the free ones. Ooh. Right, I'm gonna go with the photo flow. So once you decide and you think everything is okay, let's just present and see everything. Oh, okay. Okay. So guys, if you like it, I'm just gonna close this. If you like it, all you have to do is click on the part that says download video, and then you can either download a MP4 high quality video or as a JPEG, but I'm gonna go with the MP4 and just click on download. And that's my video downloading. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. If you are yet to, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this YouTube video, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you for stopping by. I love you and bye.